Why Indian women are afraid of getting married? Because for many, it doesn't mean just love, it's a sacrifice. Because it can mean giving up their career, freedom, or even their last name. And you're expected to adjust to the husband, your in laws, and to the society's outdated rules. And you are told, good wives don't argue, but who listens when she is unhappy? Today's Indian women are educated, independent, and ambitious. But in the marriage, it still feels like a gambling. Indian women are not afraid of commitment, they are afraid of losing themselves during the process. So, no, Indian women are not afraid of getting married. They are afraid of the inequality disguised as a tradition. Let's stop asking why they are scared and start asking what we can do to make the marriage more worth.